We're gonna cook a little gumbo today, so let's get started. We're gonna brown the sausage off real quick. All right, got the sausage all browned up like that. I'll take that out. All right, time to put that old chicken in there. Get that browned up, we'll go to the next one. Got that chicken all browned up, time to take that out. Look, that's the main thing when you're cooking a gumbo. Remember, always brown your meat, brown it good. That's where all your flavor comes from. Don't just throw your meat in a gumbo pot raw. Seen people do that. I guess it works, if that's what you like. But the flavor is in the browning. All right, and the next up is them vegetables. Bell pepper. And some onion. All right, so you can see them vegetables, that water in them vegetables and loosen up all that flavor on the bottom of that pot. So we're gonna get that out of there. We're gonna put that into the pot. We got about half water, half chicken broth in the pot there. All right, y'all, so now it's time for that roux. So it's always 1 to 1. Got 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of just all-purpose flour or something. So we can get that oil in there. Let that oil get warm. Then I'll add my flour. All right, so oil's got a little bit of warm. Just gonna sprinkle in that flour like that right there. Like I say, 1 to 1. 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of flour. Start your roux. Take your time. Ain't no rush. Turn the fire down there, like a medium low. And you're gonna stir this around, and I'll show you. This is all you're gonna do. You're browning this flour until it gets to the color that you want it. Which is gonna be I like it kind of a dark chocolate brown for my gumbo. So it's a good color on your gumbo. All right, as you can see this, see how that roux start darkening up a little bit there. See, it's starting to get that peanut buttery color. Still got a little ways to go. All right, got that fire off. You can see that color on that roux right there. I'm only gonna add about half to this pot right now. You see? I'm gonna add about half of it to the pot. The water's good and hot there. Add our meat back. All right, got all our meat in there. Give it a little bit of Worcestershire like that. Good enough. Put that with some garlic powder. And some onion powder if I can get it to come out of there. The onion powder. And some Tony Sash's Creole seasoning. Now we're gonna bring that back up to a boil. Let everything get good and incorporated. And then we'll turn it down and let it simmer for about 30 minutes or so. About 30 minutes after it boils, we're about ready to eat. Ooh boy, look at that. Now that's how it's supposed to be. All right, y'all. Got dark on us out here. We got a little fire going, camping. Make this gumbo with a little bit of that filet there. Gumbo filet. And a little dab of douille on some Tabasco. And that's gonna do it for this one, y'all. Thank y'all for watching Crocs and Socks. We'll catch y'all on the next one.